Hey guys, welcome to my channel Straight from the Stars. This is your divine messenger, and to be honest, today I am getting all the energies related to your career work, like this King of Pentacle energy basically. And if it's not career, then it's about your stability basically. But I think this whole thing is giving me here like something about your career. You are going to either excel in your career, or let's say something about getting the stability, or let's say finance or something. We will dig into this deep. Okay, we will dive deep into this, whatever this is. Maybe you are an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Doesn't have to be, because this reading is for all. But what I'm seeing here for you is something about growing plants. Maybe you are recently growing plants, or maybe you are getting into the gardening or something, or like something about, maybe let's say where you are working now. A campaign has reached out there to plant trees or to donate for donation or something like that. So take it as a confirmation sign, like this reading is for you, and the rest of you also, this reading is yours only. But again, some confirmation sign matters. We will see from tea leaves also, but I am getting something about, yes, see, you are getting these two cards. I already told you this target, goal, or I don't know what it is focusing or not, a goal oriented person. And you are getting this with wealth, this. So I guess now you get my point. Like if I told you, like I'm channeling this and it is coming with these cards, target and wealth. Something about like, let's say if you find this reading when you are just about to launch something, or just about to set a target about something or the another. Let's say it's about your career. You want, yes, of course, career, but you want, like, let's say to take a particular field, to choose a particular field or pursue a particular field for you, then it's 100% go for you. I understand, like it's a general reading, so use your own discernment. But something about, if your head only you were finding a reading which can give you the confirmation if you are uh, aiming for something right or not, then yes, this is the absolute 100% right. That whatever you are thinking, like if I will aim at this goal or this opportunity, if I will target this career field or business, I don't know, whatever this is, this exam, I am going to, if I am going to successful, or if I will be able to make it, or if this field will make me money or something, yes, it will. So it's a straightforward a reading where a person is told, like you, okay, not me, like maybe for me also, I don't know, but it's for you here, that whatever you are trying to do there, okay, uh, Bumblebee, I don't know why I just channeled Bumblebee, and a word darling also. For some reason, I don't know. I know, like maybe it's not going with this reading, but for somebody out there, it will be a significant sign, like a word darling and Bumblebee, something about that, okay. And excuse me for my whatever, like I come very late, like I don't even come on this channel, um, due to, like I'm literally busy, okay. So you can even see me now, like the way I have came today, it's like very unprepared, and it's like I just got the time and I was like, just do it. If I'm getting something in my head, like if I'm getting that I have to make videos about it, if I'm having that idea and the channeling, whatever you want to call, then just do it. Okay, the competition is very tough around you, or maybe the politics is very high. Something is at greater risk, I am seeing with this Five of Swords. Like I'm seeing whatever this target is, like if you are shooting an arrow, very, it's not like a clean field you are getting, like see, this is the target and you are shooting it directly. No, this target or this career field or something like that, you will have to go through, or currently you are going through many obstacle. And this obstacle I'm not seeing is, it's because of uh, your like immaturity, or you did something wrong, or you are wrong taking decisions. No, this is something there which is taken by the others or done by the others, and you are just the victim, or the you are just getting entrapped in these people. Like, I am very well saying the office politics. And if it's about the career, then maybe it's a peer pressure, or maybe a bullying, or not exactly bullying, but something about like mentally somebody is manipulating you or something, or there is too much politics in your office or the work culture wherever you are working. But something about unhealthy competition is going on, or maybe let's say, uh, like I am seeing it's not that easy, like this arrow will hit the target like right away you will get that. It is like this kind of process, like that this and that. It's not like this, it's this and that kind of process. But you are still being told, if you are doubting, is because that's what I am here for you to give the confirmation, because that's what I am channeling from the universe. Like, you will achieve this even after whatever hurdle you will see or you will face. I don't know whatever it is. And I'm being channeled like, who even cares, that line, like who even cares for this, like blah, like this is a card. Otherwise I have thrown that off, but I can't, it's my card. So it's like universe is giving me that energy, is like, who even care for this or these kind of people. You are this, like focus on your goal. Something about like throwing that off the picture, throwing that kind of peoples, or that kind of person literally out of the window. Yes, back. I don't know, like open the window, and you have seen that reel or shorts. It's kind of funny, like throw that out of the window, throw that out of the window. That's what you are getting. Like, focus on this. When you are getting this now, these things, then only focus on the target, like that Arjun's. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. Like the Arjun's arrow and like that bird's eye. There was hindrance, there was stems or leaves or whatever fruits, but that bird sitting on the tree and that Arjun's target, that's what you are being told to do. This will be there, but who even care for this? Train yourself, rather than to change the outer circumstances. You are being told to either change yourself, or either train yourself in a manner that this will automatically, I'm telling you, like throw it out of the window. Like, this will automatically, you will not even mind it, like these people are trying to tell you something, or these people are trying to uh, behave in a certain way that is mentally torturing you or harassing you, or for some of you maybe bullying you. Like, but who even scare what you when you are this king of pentacle? This is an earth energy, so this is very stable energy, guys. So if you will embodiment the energy of the king of pentacle, whether you are a male or female, you don't even have to think about this, because I'm channeling a song. I don't know who sings that, who sung that song, but that level ही नहीं तेरे यार वर्गा, something about like you are not even at the same page or same level as these kind of people, or a single particular person who is jealous of you or who is trying to competing you. You are different level ही नहीं. Like, this reading is getting quite funny also, but it is very serious. Like, it's telling you to focus on your goal, no matter whatever the, sorry, but whatever the hell is going outside there, you only need to change or bring change inside yourself. It will provide you this goal and with this money. Okay, so I think so this is it, and thank you so much for watching. Wishing you all the best for this. And yes, if you want personal reading from me, and or if you want to learn tarot from me, you can find the email id below in the description box below. You can contact me there. Okay, so wishing you all the best, and bye, take care.